What up? What's crack-a-lackin' like a booby smacking? Chep Samuda here, and been gone for a minute. I haven't made a video in a while, but chilling with my new 3D printer. That's pretty much what I've been doing. That's why I've been making no videos, because I've been learning how to 3D print, printing massive stuff, trying to figure out the best settings, like the best prints, the quickest, uses the less material, stuff that you can make profit from. That's what, like, all I've been doing lately. I made these, what are they called? Oh, they're called multi-board panels. They're sick. Always wanted a pegboard, so I seen this. I made it myself, dude. It took 9 hours to print each panel. They're 8x8 sections. Here, let me grab one real quick. I got more that I'm gonna mount later. Hold on. Oh, yeah, all that noise was 3D prints that I've done. Yeah, so these are multi-board. These little holes in the middle of the hexagons, you can put pegboard type things there. And in the hexagon itself, you can mount things to that too. So what you do is you print these little guys. And they clip in the back of the multi-board itself. Boom. This one is the one I use to mount to my wall with the drywall screw. Goes right in this little hole here. Put a screw straight through that. But there's plenty of things that you could use to mount stuff, like these little guys. They clip right in there. That's a double hook. I use that one to put my snippers in. Screwdrivers fit perfectly in them. Needle nose pliers fit perfectly in them. You see, they click right in. Mount stuff to them perfectly. This is my favorite thing that I've printed so far. Printed them in white and in black. So I've used quite a bit of filament so far. Well, actually not quite a bit. I used 2.5 rolls of filament. The first roll I used was PETG, which is what came with my printer for free. It was only like maybe a quarter of a roll. So my first print was in that. First thing I printed was this. This was my first print. It's called a Benchy. See, it didn't even finish printing all the way because I didn't have the settings correctly. It didn't stick to the bed plate. That's pretty much what happened. So how I ended up getting the 3D printer is I seen it on Marketplace. I'm always on Marketplace looking for stuff. So I seen one. Messaged the guy a while ago because he said he was up for trades. First I offered him a 1660 GPU and he declined the offer. I'm like, damn, alright. Like, I can make you some custom tees, throw in a GPU if you want? He said, no, I'm good on that. I was like, damn, alright. So like a month goes by, and then I kept checking every day. I check on Marketplace, see if there's any good deals going on. So I finally noticed that he changed his description, and in the description he was willing to trade for a PC. Like, dude, hell yeah, I got a lot of PCs that I've built, so I offered him a PC that I had. It was an Intel i5 with the 1660 or 1650 in it, my first GPU. So swapped them out, got the Ender 3 Pro, which is pretty sick. Got auto bed leveling on it, so I'm pretty stoked on that. I'm glad it came with that, because it's really hard to learn how to level the bed on it. That's the reason the dude gave it to me, is because he couldn't figure out how to do it. So what I did is I spent plenty of time on YouTube learning how. Downloaded this program called Octoprint, where you can connect your PC to your 3D printer. You can make a mesh of your bed with the probe that it comes with, the CR Touch probe. Makes a whole mesh and shows how much you're off on the level. So once I figured that out, I was able to start printing like a madman. I'm printing a lot of stuff. I got it set up over here. Show you guys what I've been printing lately. Like, I've printed some toys for sure, some fidget toys. I made a couple of my own prints that I use Fusion 360. It's a CAD program, computer aided design, where you can make your own design. So I made it on there. Just a lot of cool stuff that I've been making. And I'm hoping that I can start selling my stuff so I can make some cash flow. So, still got this t-shirts to sell, of course. Made from HTV transfer vinyl. Still got my stickers. So yeah, I've just been making a lot of stuff lately. So that's what I've been up to. I'll give you guys some B-roll of the stuff that I've been printing lately. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that. Comment below if you guys have a 3D printer, or if you've ever tried 3D printing. Comment down below if you have any tips and tricks of 3D printing. Any slicer settings you guys might know, let me know. But don't really got much else to say, so there's gonna be some more 3D printing content coming to my channel. Just waiting for a few more days so I can order some more filament. All I got right now is black. But the filament I'm using is Elegoo PLA. It's been pretty good. I haven't had many failures with it. The only failures I really had were like I had my Z offset wrong. That's what made it fail a few times. But the white filament had a lot of fails on. But I noticed like halfway through the roll that I didn't have the temperature setting correctly. I had it like 20 degrees below what it should be. It was at 200, and then on the roll it said 180 to 220, and I've been running it all the way at 220, and I noticed my printing's been way better that way. So a lot of my white filament actually ended up getting wasted. This box is full of failed prints and support material. Dude, it sucks when these fail their print. Dude, this was like 3 hours worth of printing. Woke up to a massive nozzle clog with this. I think it was like 5 hours of printing. Failed. Tried making legs for my Christmas tree because we lost one. I ended up using a tripod. It's pretty dope. If you guys want to see that, comment below too. Yeah, just a lot of support material goes to waste. This is all support material right here. Oh yeah, let me show you guys my most favorite print. This is like 15 hours worth of printing so far. I've always wanted one of these for my camera. I made my own matte box, dude. It even holds 4x4 filters. This thing flips up. Slide filters in there. Takes 4x4 filters and 110 millimeter filters. Slip this on your camera right over the lens, and then the matte box slides right over it. I think part of it's made from PETG, because this is when I first started learning how to print on, and then I got the black and white filament. I started using the white first after the PETG. So this is all PETG, I'm pretty sure. I can't really remember. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I can't remember. I think it is PETG. I'll have to look at the slicer setting. But yeah, this is one part that took 2 hours just for that. This the hood, that took 9 hours to print. And then this middle piece here, this took freaking 5 hours. This mounting part right here, that took 9 hours. This took 5 hours. Like, dude, like you'll never believe how long 3D printing takes. It takes forever to print stuff, especially cool stuff. You gotta print multiple parts for cool stuff like this. The first part I ended up designing myself was one of these, a ring that goes on my camera, because I didn't realize that oh wait, this is the one. Yeah, this is the one I designed. I made this on Fusion 360. I just measured my lens, the outside diameter, so it can fit right in here. Because this is a 100 millimeters, the ring, and my lens is only 80 millimeters. So this wouldn't fit. I forgot this came with the parts list to print out, but it was too big, so I manufactured my own, which is sick, dude. This thing, I love it, dude. Can't wait to get real ND filters put on it. Sadly, it's winter time now, and around here you don't really need ND filters because it doesn't get like really bright. Whoa. Living in the Pacific Northwest, this has been my best friend lately. I got this for like 10 bucks maybe at Walmart. Calipers. Not that like it's accurate, but it's not a good one or anything. It works though. I made some designs with it. Pretty stoked on that. This is a tool you use a lot. This is a tool you use a lot to scrape things off your bed plate when they're done printing. And these bad boys, you use these a lot too. These are what are they? Flush cutters. Yeah. Oh, calipers are still on. Hold on. But dude, it looks like my battery's fucking died already. Oh no, never mind, I was tripping. Yeah, flush cutters are your best friend. Calipers are your best friend. Needle nose pliers. A lot of these tools, they actually came with the 3D printer. Looks pretty cool. Sometimes you might use one of these. Sometimes you might use an X-Acto knife, but there's another tool that I want to get. It's I won't focus on it too little. But the other tool I really want to get is a deburring tool. You'll use that a lot. Let's see what else. Tape measure, you might use that a lot too. But yeah, let me show you one more thing. That's cool. Cool and funny at the same time. This is a Batman mask I made for my cat. Dude, it's so funny when you put it on them. Come on, folks. Motherfucker. Yeah, this is a Batman mask for the cat, dude. It's funny when you put them on. Alright, well, my dog's crying again. She's been freaking wanting to go out every second, so I'll be back.